Hey everyone, today, we're talking about a Facebook ad that really caught my eye. It's all about something called Sora AI, supposedly from OpenAI. Their ad says you can create professional videos in seconds, and there's a link to download it at SoraAIinstall.com. Let's see if Sora AI is the real deal or just another scam. First, the ad looks impressive. It mentions Sora AI is a revolutionary video creation tool with tons of downloads on day one. There's even a promo video. But the big question is, does any of it hold up? Next, I checked the website from a desktop. It showed a page for NeuroVid, a US-based startup focusing on generative video models. But there was no actual download link for Sora AI. It didn't mention OpenAI or Sora AI at all, which is strange. If I'm looking for Sora AI, why am I seeing something called NeuroVid? Then, I tried visiting the link on a tablet. This time, the site pretended to be an official OpenAI page promoting a brand new Sora AI app. Clearly, we have different versions of the same site depending on what device you're using. That's a big red flag right there. Alright, let's run some checks. Number 1. The Facebook page running these ads is brand new and has no connection to OpenAI. They're basically pretending to be the official account. Number 2. A quick scan on VirusTotal shows the domain SoraAIinstall.com is flagged as malicious and phishing. That's a sign to stay away. Number 3. I looked in the Google Play Store, and there's no app called Sora AI. Instead, the only official app that comes up is ChatGPT from OpenAI. So where exactly are they saying you can download Sora AI from? Looks like nowhere safe. Number 4. Checking the domain's registration reveals it was created on the 16th of January 2025. That's extremely recent. A brand new domain, no real history, and it's already flagged. This is just another scam website jumping online and pretending to be a famous tech product. Here's a quick summary of the major warning signs: conflicting info, fake claims, no real download, malicious reports, new domain. Putting all this together, it seems like this, Sora AI, is nothing more than a fake ad campaign. They're probably out to steal personal information or push harmful software. So, if you see an ad promoting Sora AI and a link to SoraAIinstall.com, don't click it. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and staying alert. If you found this helpful, share it with friends so they don't fall for the scam.